My name's Ashley Strube. I'm going to give you a tour of AJ Manufacturing, the sealing division here. Today I'm just going to walk you through kind of the steps and processes that we go through to make our modular operating room sealing systems. Follow me over here. We'll start at the beginning today. So first thing we're doing here is we bring in the structural steel tubing. We get it in 20-foot lengths typically, various different sizes and tube wall thicknesses. This is a bandsaw here that we have, and we'll put the tube on here and cut it to the lengths that we need to make the sealing systems. So we'll just put the length in here, program our lengths, and it'll just keep cutting those lengths so we know, get all of our sticks cut. Then we'll palletize them and take them over to the weld stations. Over here we have another saw that we have that cuts our aluminum extrusion. You can see over here we get our aluminum extrusion in 16-foot 4-inch sticks, and then we use this to cut it down. It's a miter type saw that it'll pull the extrusion through and cut it to the different lengths that we program. And you can see down here we have a bunch of different lengths that we've cut stacked up that it cut off that 16-foot piece. After we get those materials cut, the tube and the extrusion, we'll bring it over here to our 5-axis CNC. Over here we can load up the tube and it'll mill out any features or holes that we need to bolt the modules together. It'll also take and cut and mill out any features in the aluminum extrusion that we need. We have one out here we've been testing out. You can kind of see how this piece has been milled out there, so when we go to fit it up and weld it together, we get a good fit there. So that's kind of what we're doing, milling out holes, milling out pieces to fit up before we go to weld. We'll palletize all that here per module. So you can see right here we have a couple different modules for this next room that we've got cut. We're getting ready to weld them up. We stock a bunch of the extrusion, so we just have it warehoused up here on these racks. This is a fully welded one that we have. It's a small one. We got it sitting here getting ready to go to shipping to go to powder coat. And then over here is where we'll weld up the tube. So you can see the palletized tube here getting ready to get welded. And then it looks like we have one module already on the table that's been welded. And it looks like we're getting ready to weld a similar module on top of it. So you can see we have one already welded, and he's using it as the template for the next one because we're doing an identical setup here. So he's just getting ready to dry fit it, get it welded up so we can weld up that module. I'm sure that's what this tube is for here. So we got 3 or 4 weld stations here that will weld up various different modules, be it steel or aluminum, different welders at each station set up for that specific material. And you can see once we get it welded up, currently we have to send it out to get powder coated. We have a powder coat that's getting delivered late September, so we'll be able to do that all in-house. But until then, we have a local partner that we send it out to. So back here in shipping, we have a bunch of modules that are either done, ready to go to shipping, or they're coming back from shipping stage to go to final assembly. So we just got a bunch of stuff back in our shipping department in various stages of coming and going. So it's when you're doing this many rooms, it's kind of a balancing act on what's leaving, what's coming. So it'll be nice to get that powder coat installed to really streamline our process for us. Walking through here, this is kind of where we do our final assembly over in this bay. We kind of have it set up as like a dirty side for the welding, clean side for everything that gets powdered and come back. So we got a big 19-room job going right now. This is just all of our pieces that we're prepping to do our final assembly on. It kind of takes up a lot of room, this big job, so we got a lot going on. Just staying organized is key when we're doing this stuff. So you can see we have a bunch of the frames that are sitting here that came back and painted. We're marrying those up with our plenums here, and these will be our final products. Everything we have is either powder coated steel or stainless for the space. And then typically for ORs, everything that's room side facing is painted white. Right here, where all this is, actually down this whole bay will be where our powder coat line is installed. We actually have the powder booth stuff back there now. We're waiting on all the other equipment to come in, and that powder coat line will take up this whole bay here when it's done. So it'll be nice to have all that in-house, and we can control the lead time on that. We do have a good partner we're working out with now, but having everything in-house so we can control our lead times better will really be beneficial to us. So that's a quick overview of our plant in its current form. You know, we're still growing. If you have any questions about our process, products, anything of that nature, feel free to reach out to us. Appreciate it.